Hi guys, do you want to hide apps notification from your Samsung lock screen to protect your privacy? In this video, I will show you step by step how to disable apps notification on the lock screen of your Samsung Galaxy phone. So let's get started. There are two ways to do this. First, you can directly disable notification from all apps. First, open settings, then scroll down, tap notification, then tap lock screen. Here you can disable all notification on the lock screen in the top right corner. Now notification on the lock screen is disabled. Next, you can disable notification on the lock screen for certain application only. You just need to choose which application do you want to disable notification on the lock screen. So for example here, I will choose Instagram. Just press and hold until a pop-up like this appears, then tap the exclamation mark in the right corner. Then tap on the notification. Next, you can uncheck the box on the lock screen. You have now successfully disabled Instagram notification from the lock screen. You can do for all application in your Samsung phone. So thank you for watching and see you in another video.